I'm outside kind of watering plants and stuff like that. And you know, it's really funny because when you think about cats and water and stuff, they usually don't really like it. So um, I'm kind of going to show you a very strange and unusual cat. He actually chases the water from the water hose. So here's Mowgli. Mowgli, hey, he says hello. Now, here's the water hose right here, and we're going to release the water out. Oh, and Mowgli gets all excited. There he goes. Yeah. He says, "Oh, I'm getting choked." He says, "When I..." He's like, "Oh, got water on my nose." Now, cats don't usually do that. I think my cat is a dog in a cat's body. But, Mowgli, look up. He says, "I'm soaking wet." He said, "But I'm happy." Mowgli. He says, "Whew. Hey, buddy." So, I would pick him up, but as you can tell, he's pretty soaked right now. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with everyone. I thought it was quite interesting that my cat is actually a water cat, or a water dog, or a, I don't know what you want to call him, a dat, which is half dog, half cat, something like that. Anyway, thought I'd just share. Take care. Bye.